Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to make your desktop look cool, clean, professional and aesthetic. Now that we're quarantined and either attending online classes or working from home, all of us are gapping at our laptop screen for way too long. So while we're at it, why not make our desktop look cool and aesthetic? Customizing your laptop's exterior is pretty easy with cases, leaf stickers, but when it comes to what's inside, not many people know how to customize their desktop. So let's check out some easy ways to make your desktop look unique and more personal. First thing that we can do is, as you can see, we have all these Windows icons, and if you like them you can keep them, and if you don't you can remove those by right clicking on view and then select show desktop icons. That removes it and already makes your entire desktop look a lot cleaner. The next thing that we are going to be looking at is the taskbar down here. You can see that there's a lot of unnecessary buttons here, so what you can do is right click and you And now we have to remove these little bars by right clicking, going up to show title, uncheck that, and then you can right click and hit lock the taskbar.